In my experience working as a certified life coach and patient advocate, these are a few things that I think maybe you should know about how to make the most of the limited time you get with your doctor. Collect all the data and be prepared for your appointment. Have a game plan. Keep a log of your symptoms or complaints, along with the dates, times, and all other pertinent details. Provide your physician with all information possible for them to form the most accurate diagnosis. And share your agenda for this visit. Are you just asking questions or are you ready to take action? Bring a list of any of your questions, as well as an extra copy for the appointment for the doctor to review. And always remember when speaking to your doctor that honesty is the best policy. This is no place to be bashful or embarrassed. Be completely honest and transparent. Be clear and unapologetic about every symptom and side effect, as well as your preferences for treatment options. Your doctor wants to set you up for success. They can only do that if they know everything that is going on. It's so important to stick to the facts. If there is a relevant family history or you have encountered these symptoms before in your life, be sure to include that up front. Don't waste your precious moments in the room on theories or speculation or what your friend told you you might have or what you read on the internet. Simply present your concerns, your symptoms, and your questions directly and let the physician work through the possibilities. So much information gets exchanged in a doctor's appointment, so keep good records. Bring a notebook or take down information in a notes app on your phone. It is so easy to forget the details once you leave. While not all doctors allow this in their patient rooms, you should ask if you can audio record the session to refer back to later. At the very least, make sure that you have every detail written down accurately and double check with your physician before you leave. Let the doctor work. Be the patient and be patient. Doctors are inundated with so many new demands daily. They may run late. They may be multitasking. They may be taking notes while they're speaking to you. It's vitally important that you remember that they are trained to treat you and provide valuable expertise that you cannot find alone or on the internet. You're in front of them for a reason. Clarity is key. Reach an understanding. Make sure that you are clear on the next steps. Ask questions if you don't understand the course of treatment or what you should expect before your next appointment. Exercise your voice to gain clarity before ending the session. It's crucial that both you and your doctor have both been heard and understood throughout the session. Follow the doctor's orders. Do and take what you are prescribed. Follow the instructions of your physician, unless, of course, it causes pain or danger, in which case, contact your doctor right away to find alternate solutions. Don't halt medications or therapies without discussing it with your physician first. Don't just give up. Reach out through the portal or make a follow up for alternatives. Stay attuned and trust the process. Be your own advocate. If something isn't working for you, investigate and reflect in your own time and take notes so that you can return to your physician with new information for them to process and respond to. Call for reinforcements. Use the buddy system. If you struggle to manage all of this information alone, ask for help from family and friends. Otherwise, please consider hiring a patient advocate or health coach to help you navigate this vital process of your care. There are people to help you. You don't have to go it alone. In my years working as a master certified life coach and patient advocate, I utilize all of my innate curiosity and talents for listening and nurturing, along with my learned and practiced skills of asking the right questions and giving gentle accountability to show up for you in ways that you don't know how to show up for yourself yet. I take my role as a patient advocate very seriously. I am as invested in the well being of my clients as I would be a friend or family member, but without the emotional connections that could cloud my judgment or distract me from your goals. On the most basic level, I'm here to help you learn how to find reliable, qualified medical information and how to navigate away from the deceptive and sensationalized articles, reports, and anecdotes online. A main focus of this service is helping you gather the most vital information for your care team and to be able to organize and present it in a concise and effective way to maximize your time and results. For an additional fee, I can even attend appointments with you to be in the room as your advocate and help optimize your visit. This can include helping your voice be heard, staying focused and on topic, and facilitating a healthy dialogue between you and your physician during your appointment. I take thoughtful and thorough notes on your complaints, symptoms, side effects, as well as any questions and concerns you have lingering. This is a part of the service I provide both before a scheduled appointment and is enormously effective when I accompany you to a doctor's visit. This way, all the information shared in the room comes home with you. And I make myself available to help you through the process of testing, receiving diagnosis, setting up and enduring treatments, and through any recovery time or follow up. Sometimes this means that I will be your shoulder to cry on. Others, I will be your cheerleader on the sidelines, urging you on. And others, I will provide the gentle nudge you need to stay on track. Which leads me to the importance of keeping you accountable in following the doctor's orders and helping you access what you need to maintain your care at home so that you can remain your most healthy self.